Hello, I'm back on our YouTube channel. Now we are going to say inventory management system in PHP. So you must have XAMPP on your machine. So you have to download your XAMPP and then write me for giving you the project. So let's take a look for our project. So now let me search for XAMPP here. Okay, so we go to the our localhost. So now I have an inventory system. I have again inventory system. I have a staff registration. I have a multi-store. I have again multi-store. I have another stock management system, and I have WordPress for localhost. So let's take a look for inventory system. So let me type password admin. And password is admin. Login. Now I'm in my dashboard. This is our dashboard. So we can this is a statistic in our dashboard. Profile, you can change your profile, edit profile, like this name, like let me type Dorja, like that. Username like admin. Let me keep admin. Updates. Now I have this. I can change profile picture. Let me go to desktop. Where you have pictures. Let me go to pictures. Here, scroll down this. Now our profile picture has been changed. So you can change password. Go to settings, change this. So we go to our dashboard. We have users. We have 7 categories. We have 13 products, and we have 8 series. So now we have highest selling product, latest series, recently added product. So for example, let me click on this. This is our product code. There is no word. Quantity is 2, price is 55 US dollar, total $110. So we can update our product. We can all click on see all product. So this is, we can add many products. So we come here to user management, manager group. This is our admin. We have a special admins, and we have a user, someone who work in your shop or your stock. So we can add, and we have a categories. For example, our categories is agriculture, is industrial, is rice. So we have many categories. You can add or can create your categories. So on user management, you have to manage our users. This is our user. You can rate. Let me remove this. Remove it. User rated. And the special users. Let me come here. This, edit this. Roles, like a special, update, So what I have to do, okay, refresh dashboard, nothing. So I have to make a logout. So I have to make a logout. I can't edit. So let me make a logout for go to the admin. Yeah, let me make a logout. So here what we have to do, let we go to our localhost. So this is my database. Let me search for inventory system. This, let me go to the user, and so this is this, edit this, yeah, this, and the user level you have to select. Let me back on admin. So scroll down and go. Now back here, make a logout and then login. Admin again. So we are here. So we have a product, manage a product. We can add new product, we can create product, and also manage a product. The same media, and we can upload. Photos of your product. Let me try this. Click here. Let me back. Let me here downloads, for example. Let me this upload. Now we have this photo name, photo type, image, PNG. So we have many pictures. You can upload many pictures as you want. Media center. We go to our series, add the series, for example, quantity, price, item, price, quantity, total date, and the action you can found. We are going to say, let me go to our product. Let me copy this. Copy this. We go to our series, add series, paste it here, and found it. This is our rules, and then we can add series added successfully. We back on series, manage series. You have this. This is the latest our product we have said. So we can come on series reports. What we have a series as sort by date, monthly or daily. So come back here. This is what we have sorted today. So monthly, again this, you can select date from like this, from here to here, to here, and generate report. This is our report. So I think printing button does not work. I'm still working on this project for updating that button. So this is what we have as a result. This is our result. That is this. We have a product title. We have buying price, selling price is this. We have a total quantity we have sold is this, and we have our total. So current total is this, and profit is this. This profit is from here. taking this minus this. So we're back. So this is our simple inventory management system or stock management system. For more information, I put in the comment section my email address and my social medias, so you can follow me on TikTok, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So if you want this project, if you want source code, please make a subscribe, take a screenshot, and send it to my email, my Gmail, as proof of getting source code. So this is for academic purpose. This project, to get it's full free, completely free. Yeah, all you have to do, make subscribe. So see you on our next project.